So this is a walkthrough of room 1881, which is in the Ipanema Tower at Rio, Las Vegas. Now this is a newly renovated 2-queen room. So as you walk in, you've got your hanging space in there. Your safe is there. Sink number 1 with your toilet and walk-in shower. Now, I don't know if any of you remember, but the shower in all these rooms, around about here, there used to be a hatch that you used to be able to open. You used to be able to look at the bed in the other room. And it looks a hell of a lot better with the modern tiling, doesn't it? And actually the Nest lotions are very nice, smell really nice. And then your sort of vanity area and second sink is there. Now I seem to remember these rooms going further out this way, but that may be the Masquerade Tower that had the slightly bigger rooms. I'm not actually sure. When I last stayed in the Ipanema Tower, it was an end of hallway, so it was a slightly odd shape. But you've got a nice seating area. Big telly. Nice big mirror. I do like the light fitting in the corner there. Pretty cool. And then you have your fridge here, which kind of looks like they might turn it into a mini bar, but it isn't as yet. And some more room that side. Storage space in here. As I said, it was a two-queen room. It was the only room I could get with a strip view. They didn't have any kings left. So this is the bed I've slept in, which is why it's not as nicely done as that one. And the views here are actually really nice. I really like the view. Not bad, huh? And it looks good with the lights to the right there at night. So ultimately, could I recommend staying here? Probably not, but if you get a offer match like I did, what's not to like, really? But there's a lot of work to do with this place to get it up to scratch, for sure. As I mentioned in the regular vlog, they're midway through construction, so expect some noise and sort of hassle if you're staying here in the next few months at least, certainly throughout this summer, I would think. But that is the newly renovated 2-queen room in the Ipanema Tower in Rio, Las Vegas. I will see you in the next video. Take care.